Hey guys, Blaine here. So working on another snowblower, very common. There's, like I said, there's two styles of this, but instead of cleaning the carburetor, it's just so much easier to replace it because it's $12 on eBay. You get all the gaskets and the carburetor and a primer ball. It takes 5 minutes to take everything apart, 2 minutes to install the new carburetor. You don't have to go with the hassle of cleaning the carburetor, taking it all apart, and everything else. So we just buy carburetors, install them, and send them on their way. Normally, the belts are beat, we'll replace the belt. We check the auger, we fix, the front of the auger area, and that's it. And we replace the spark plug and put new gas in it, start it, and then drain it. Like for more content, please subscribe and drop a comment if you need to see anything that you want to see. Thanks.